there, my name's Steve with Camping Car here in beautiful Port Townsend in the Pacific Northwest, and we're here to take a tour of a recently completed Dodge Ram ProMaster 1500 with the 136-inch wheelbase. Let's come take a look inside. So you can see with this van we kept a really nice natural wood look. We've got paneling that's made from pre-finished maple plywood, beautiful black walnut butcher block on the counter space here, all kinds of wooden floors, our PowerPod, which is also made with the same kind of maple, and just really nice kind of natural vibes in here for a really elegant and simple build. So our customers who commissioned us to do this build for them really wanted to prioritize function and utility and really like having a nice comfortable space over lots of expensive and fancy gadgets and gizmos. This van was completely insulated underneath all the paneling with a combination of Havelock Wool and Thinsulate. We have up here shiplap 1x8 ceiling with nice LED puck lights that are on a dimmer switch over here, which is a nice touch when you don't want the full brightness. Right here on this lovely kitchen galley, we have walnut butcher block, which looks really nice, especially finished in this hard wax. There's two folding extensions on your counter space here that are really strong and can support a lot of weight and a lot of use. This one has a cool pull-out drawer here with a lot of headroom, so if you've got taller items that you want to store, that's no problem at all. All of these drawers are on nice soft close hinges, so no risk of that flying open when you're riding around. And underneath here, so you've got a gray water tank and your fresh water tank that are accessible and can be used in this sweet little sink. There's even a little piece of the leftover butcher block that they were able to repurpose as a cheese board or a little cutting board, which is a nice way to use all the material. Right here you see one of the windows that we installed in this van. There's a few windows that were installed in this van by our shop. That's something we do for a lot of customers and something we can even do a la carte for people who are doing conversions but don't necessarily want to do cutting into their van themselves. There's another window here we installed, window here, and we also installed a MaxxAir fan in the roof right up here. So all of that stuff our shop is very comfortable and happy to do for people. In addition to the beautiful figured maple plywood paneling, we also installed carpeting in a lot of parts of the van that were a little more curved and don't accept plywood paneling as well. There's some really nicely placed little coat hooks and just little shelves and things that kind of really give this van a nice homey feel and utility that's what you're looking for when you're out living life on the road. Powering all of the appliances, the cooler, and the lighting in this van is something called the PowerPod. The PowerPod was created by Camping Car in conjunction with some very talented electrical engineers in our community, and it's a great all-in-one solution for powering your van, and it pulls from solar, the car's battery and alternator. You can plug it into shore power. It has some really intelligent features that make it a great choice for outfitting just about any mobile camping setup. So here in the back of the van, you can see the bed. It's a full-size mattress that's gonna be plenty big for the vast majority of people. Lots of storage space underneath, even with lots of pass-through storage underneath. So for someone who might like to surf or something like that, the van has awesome alternative purposes. It's got wood floors with a two-part epoxy finish to keep it nice and protected. And overall, this van's awesome. It's a really great setup for people who want a really awesome place to sleep and camp without all the fancy things that can really drive up the price of these vans. And we would love to help you or someone realize your van adventure dreams, and would encourage you to contact us and check out our information in the description of the video and get in touch.
We couldn't be happier. We really enjoyed the collaborative process. It was, we came in with our ideas, but they would be enhanced every time we got into discussions. We're really happy with where this went.